Alright team, let's have a little chat about getting strong. When you think about building powerful legs and a rock-solid core, what exercises pop into your head? I bet for most of you, it's the classic back squat and the mighty deadlift, and you're not wrong. These are fantastic, brilliant exercises that have helped so many people get fitter, stronger, and leaner. They are the bread and butter of almost every good training plan for a reason. But what if I told you there's another exercise, a bit of an unsung hero, that most people walk right past in the gym, one that could unlock a whole new level of strength you didn't even know you had? We all get comfortable in our routines, don't we? We find exercises we like, or at least the ones we know, and we stick to them week in, week out. The problem is, sometimes our bodies get a bit too used to them. You might hit a plateau, where you just can't seem to lift any heavier or your progress stalls. Or maybe, just maybe, those heavy back squats are starting to give your lower back a bit of grief. It's a really common issue, and it can be so frustrating when you're trying your best to get results. This is where we need to be a bit clever and look for other tools to add to our fitness toolbox. So, what is this mystery move? I'm talking about the Zercher squat. I know, it sounds a bit strange, but trust me on this one. It's an absolute game changer. It's a powerful, old-school movement that builds incredible full-body strength, protects your back, and even helps improve your posture. It's a hybrid movement that feels like a mix between a squat and a deadlift, but with its own unique twist. The reason most people ignore it is probably because it looks a bit different and feels a little awkward at first. But isn't it true that the things that challenge us the most are often the ones that give us the best results in the end? If you feel like your progress has slowed down, or if you're looking for a way to squat heavy without putting so much strain on your spine, then you are in the right place. This essay is all about introducing you to your new favorite exercise. We're going to break down what the Zercher squat is, where it came from, and why it's so brilliant for building a stronger, more resilient body. Get ready to step out of your comfort zone, because this move is going to help you smash through those plateaus and feel absolutely incredible. Let's get into it. So, let's get right to it. What exactly is a Zercher squat? Unlike a back squat where the barbell rests on your shoulders, or a front squat where it sits on your collarbones, the Zercher squat involves holding the barbell in the crook of your elbows. Yes, you heard that right. You cradle the bar right in your elbow pits. This unique position is what makes the exercise so special. It completely changes your center of gravity, forcing your body to work in a whole new way. You have to keep your torso incredibly upright to stop the bar from pulling you forward, which is a massive workout for your core and upper back. This awesome exercise wasn't invented in a fancy sports science lab. It comes from the world of old-school strongmen, the real pioneers of strength. It's named after a guy called Ed Zercher, a powerlifter from the 1930s. The story goes that Ed didn't have a squat rack in his home gym, so he had to get creative. He figured out he could deadlift the barbell to his knees, rest it there, and then scoop it up into his elbows to stand up. From there, the Zercher squat was born. It's a testament to how some of the most effective exercises come from simple, practical needs. The position of the bar is the secret sauce here. Holding the weight in front of you and low down on your body forces you to engage muscles you might not normally use during a standard squat. Your abs, your obliques, and all the muscles in your upper back have to fire up like crazy to support the load and keep you stable. It's like doing a weighted plank and a squat at the same time. This makes it an incredibly efficient exercise, because you're training so many different muscle groups all at once. It's not just a leg exercise, it's a full-body strength-building machine. Think of it this way, your arms are basically acting like a shelf for the weight. This means you have to actively squeeze your biceps and upper back muscles together to create a secure platform for the bar. This constant tension is what builds that functional real-world strength. It's not just about moving weight up and down, it's about controlling it, bracing against it, and maintaining perfect posture under load. It's a raw, honest test of your strength, and that's why I absolutely love it. It connects you to that old-school, gritty style of training. One of the biggest reasons I get excited about the Zercher squat is its benefit for people who struggle with back pain. So many of us spend our days sitting at a desk, which can lead to a weak upper back and tight hips. Then we go to the gym and load a heavy barbell right onto our spine for back squats. For some people, that can be a recipe for discomfort. The compression on the lower back can be intense. The Zercher squat offers a fantastic solution because it takes a lot of that direct pressure off your spine. Because you're holding the weight in front, it's much easier to keep your chest up and your torso vertical. This upright posture is not just a suggestion, it's a requirement of the lift. If you lean too far forward, you'll simply lose the bar. This forces you into a safer, more mechanically sound squatting position. Your body learns to rely on your core and upper back for stability, rather than just letting your lower back take all the strain. For anyone who feels that little twinge in their lower back during or after squats, switching to Zerchers for a while could be a complete game changer. It allows you to continue training your legs hard, while giving your lower back a much-needed break from heavy compressive forces. But the Zercher squat doesn't just protect your back, it actively builds a stronger one. The muscles of your upper back, your traps, rhomboids, and rear delts have to work overtime to keep the bar from rounding your shoulders forward. They are under constant tension throughout the entire movement. This is what builds that thick, powerful upper back that not only looks great, but is also the foundation of good posture. A strong upper back helps pull your shoulders back and down, counteracting that forward slump we can get from spending too much time hunched over phones and keyboards. The feeling you get after a set of Zerchers is amazing. You'll feel this sense of expansion across your chest and shoulders. It's like your body has been opened up. You'll stand taller and feel freer. This isn't just about building muscle, it's about improving your mobility and how you carry yourself every single day. Think about how practical this strength is. You're learning to lift and carry a heavy, awkward object while keeping your core tight and your back safe. That's real-world strength that will help you when you're carrying shopping bags, picking up your kids, or moving furniture. Ready to give it a go? Let's break down the steps to perform a perfect Zercher squat. The most important thing is to start light. Your ego might want you to load up the bar, but your elbows, honestly, need time to get used to the pressure. The best way to start is by setting the barbell in a squat rack at about the same height as your belly button. Stand in front of the bar, step under it, and position it right in the crease of your elbows. Clasp your hands together in front of your chest. You can either make fists and press them together or just link your fingers. Now brace your core like you're about to be punched in the stomach. Squeeze your upper back muscles to create a solid shelf with your arms. Unrack the weight and take a couple of small steps back. Your feet should be about shoulder width apart, with your toes pointing slightly outwards. Take a deep breath into your belly. Keep that chest held high, and begin to squat down. Imagine you are sitting back into a chair. Go as deep as you comfortably can, ideally until your elbows touch the inside of your knees. This is a great depth cue unique to the Zercher squat. From the bottom position, drive powerfully through your heels to stand back up. Keep your core tight and your chest proud the whole way. Exhale as you reach the top. That's one rep. The key is to control the movement. Don't rush it. Feel every muscle working to keep you stable. Now, a little tip for comfort. The bar can feel a bit harsh on your bare arms at first. You can wear a hoodie or long-sleeve top to provide some padding. Some people even use special barbell pads, like a fat grips or a small piece of foam to make it more comfortable, which is totally fine. Don't be discouraged if it feels awkward initially. It's a new skill, and like any skill, it takes a bit of practice to master. Focus on perfect form with a light weight before you even think about going heavy. The goal is to feel your core and upper back doing the work. You should feel incredibly stable and powerful, not folded in half. Once you nail the form, you'll understand why this exercise is so beloved by those in the know. It builds a different kind of strength, a rugged, all-over body toughness that will benefit all your other lifts. So, are you feeling inspired to try it? Brilliant! Let's talk about how you can easily add the Zercher squat into your routine this week. You don't need to completely overhaul your workout plan. A great way to start is by swapping out your regular squats for Zercher squats for one of your leg days. Because the form is new, begin with a light weight and focus on getting the movement right. Try doing 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. This will be enough to challenge your muscles and help you get comfortable with the unique feeling of the exercise. Once you've got the hang of the basic movement, you can start to have some fun with it. Zerchers are incredibly versatile. You can use them for more than just squatting. Try doing Zercher holds. Just unrack a challenging weight and hold it for 20 to 30 seconds. This is an incredible way to build core stability and mental toughness. Another one of my favorites is the Zercher carry. After you unrack the weight, simply walk with it. Walk for 20 or 30 meters, turn around, and walk back. It's honestly one of the best full-body conditioning exercises you can do. You can also try single-leg variations like a Zercher split squat or a Zercher reverse lunge. These are fantastic for ironing out any strength imbalances between your left and right side. Because the weight is loaded in front, it will seriously challenge your balance and stability, making your legs and core work even harder. The possibilities are endless. Start simple with the main squat, and as you get stronger and more confident, you can start to incorporate these other brilliant variations to keep your workouts fun and challenging. It's all about progressing at your own pace. So here is your challenge for this week. Give the Zercher squat a try. Find a spot in your gym, set the bar up, and just play with the movement. Start with an empty barbell if you need to. Get a feel for it. I promise you, once you push through that initial awkwardness, you'll discover an exercise that will build incredible strength, improve your posture, and keep your back healthy. I want you to try it out and then let me know how you get on. Drop a comment and share your experience. Did you love it? Did you find it tough? Let's get the conversation started. Go on, get after it.